Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change up-down color in Forex.com app. To change the up-down color in Forex.com app, first of all, open the Forex.com application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right-hand corner. Within the account menu, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Select Theme. Now, look for the up-down color option and choose a different up-down color type from the list at the bottom. You can choose between green/red, red or blue or red. Select one of the options and then you will then be able to restart your Forex.com app, and this will be able to help you change your up-down color in Forex.com. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.